How to make a boomerang from live photo on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open any photo you want. Then, tap on the Live button at the top left corner of the photo as shown. Here, you can view all the effects available. You can try out all the effects from here. For example, loop, bounce, long exposure or more. Select bounce from the options to transform the picture into a dynamic, repeating loop. Bounce photo is a live photo with a special effect that plays the short video clip backward and then forward, creating a continuous, back and forth or boomerang motion. Following these steps, you can easily make a boomerang from live photo on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.